your laptop or computer device to a mixer or a speaker. So you can just bring this.
Music is part of our life. People find enjoyment in listening to music. Some has it as their hobbies and some others has it as their career. Music is for everyone, but then it can be tough to learn music if you are visually impaired. So let's explore how this 3D tactile can be used to help the visually impaired to learn music. Let's go and meet Dr. Hairul so that we can learn more about his research to help the visually impaired. Let's go, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Hairul. I'm from Faculty of Creative Arts. So my niche area or my area of research is music technology. Myself, my background is a music producer. But other than that, I did my PhD in music technology. So the idea was, because we know that people with visual impairments, they have difficulties in reading music notation, obviously. The other problem is quite difficult for us to explain what are the differences between pitch. So the idea was for music teachers to use this device to help them to teach concepts like pitch relation from one to another. So we have bass clef and treble clef. So bass clef, the pitch is slightly different from treble clef. Okay, so we can teach them this is the sound of a bass clef, this is sound of treble clef, and then we put this blocks on it, kind of like a Lego, if you can imagine. So you place it on either the staff line or in between. So when it's placed there, it rings out different pitch. And then so it'll be easy for them to understand that different placement on the notation system, it represents different pitch. It's kind of like a toy, kinda. It will be 3D printed. It's around A4. No, I think we have planned it to be more or less like the size of a MacBook Pro 17-inch. Okay, I call it sUMpler because number one is summation. Number two is because we have in there. So basically, what it does is you drag some sort of sound here. For example, this one you want to play it here, so you just drag it here. There, see? There. I think this one doesn't have battery, but I can show you how it works using just normal keyboard. So if you want to play song number 1, so if you want to play song number 2, when you play song number 3, what you can do is you connect your laptop or computer device to a mixer or a speaker. So you can just bring this and then, so you don't have to bring the laptop. You don't actually need to ask somebody, okay, play next song. You can control it yourself. There's one that connects the whole keypad, but I try not to do that because of two things. Number one, keypad is too big for somebody to hide. This one is smaller. That's number one. Number two, it's very expensive. The one that I know in the US, it's around 2,000 ringgit, 3,000 ringgit. Yeah, and it leaves the key for you to do whatever you want. Let's say if you need to do typing and editing the script on the spot, but need to trigger the sound. Definitely for people with different abilities to be able to understand more about music, okay? Because we have so many talents. Last time we have Khalif Baskers who are still active, and you know they are a group with, I think everybody in the group is visually impaired, right? And then we have talents in Sekolah Kurang Upaya. I hope that this device will be beneficial for everyone, not only for the visually impaired, but for everyone in general.
This is music beyond sight, breaking the barriers and opening ways to the visually impaired. Inspiring, right? I hope we can all enjoy music despite of our background as well as our abilities. So I think that's all for this episode. I hope you guys can leave some likes and then let us know what you guys think about this research as well. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Bye-bye!